First off, it's very important to follow the safety precautions such as wearing a face mask, also having great ventilation, wearing gloves to make sure that the area is safe to be cleaned. You want to also have a bucket and brush handy, and you want to make a mixture of 1 parts bleach and 3 parts water. Once the solution is mixed thoroughly, test a small spot in an inconspicuous location in the area of the wall. Allow a few hours for the solution to dry on the wall as you gently scrub in circular motions in that area. If it turns out that it's good to go, you can work on the other parts of the area to remove the stains. The best course of action with mold is prevention, to make sure that the home is always properly ventilated and also to remove any kind of damp items or materials that may cause the mold to form in the future.